Hello dear students, now we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 3.2. The question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides and 15 sides. Regular polygon is given and the number of sides are given. You have to find out the each exterior angle. So how we will find out? So number of sides and it is equals to 9. So sum of exterior angles is 360 degree, as we studied in our previous video that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So measure of each exterior angle will be sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides. So it will be 360 degree divided by 9, that is 40 degree. Now if number of sides of regular polygon n is equal to 15 and the sum of exterior angles we know it is 360 degrees, so measure of each exterior angle will be 360 divided by n, that is 360 divided by 15, it is equals to 24 degree. Question third. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Now measure of exterior angle is given and you have to find out the number of sides. We know that each exterior angle of regular polygon is equals to sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides. But given each exterior angle is 24 degree, it means 360 upon n will be equals to 24 degrees. So by cross multiply we will get 360 is equal to 24n. So here we will get n is equal to 15 sides. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? So let the number of sides of regular polygon, we will assume it is n. So sum of n interior angles of a regular polygon will be, this is the formula to find out sum of interior angles of any polygon having any number of sides. So here if n is number of sides, then the sum of interior angles of regular polygon will be n minus 2 multiply 180 degrees. So each angle will be equals to sum of all the angles divided by number of sides. But each interior angle is given 165 degree. It means this should be equals to 165 degree. It means n minus 2 multiply 180 divided by n is equal to 165. So we will cross multiply. It will be 165n. So when I'll open this bracket, so what we will get? N multiply 180, so it will be 180n, minus 2 multiply 180, so it will be minus 360 equals to 165n. So this term containing n we will shift it on left hand side and 360 we will shift it on right hand side. So this we will get, after this, after simplifying it, we will get 15n is equal to 360. So when I'll divide 360 with 15, so it is n is equal to 360 divided by 15. So n equals to 24 sides. So it means the number of sides in the polygon is 24. Question number 5. A part. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measures of each exterior angle as 22 degree? So B part. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? So the first part, number of sides of a regular polygon is n, then it will be equals to 360 degree divided by each exterior angle. So student, observe it carefully. When we want to find out exterior angle, then we will divide sum of exterior angles with number of sides, and if we want to find out number of sides, then we will divide 360 degree with each exterior angle. Here we are assuming exterior angle is 22, so I'll divide 360 with 22. When I'll simplify it, then the value of n is in decimal. So that is not possible. Why? Because n is number of sides of polygon, and number of sides of polygon cannot be in decimal. It means exterior angle with 22 degree, it is not possible. Now we will check, is it possible that 22 degrees is an interior angle? So for that, again we will find out exterior angle. How? If interior angle is 22 degree, then the exterior angle will be 180 minus 22 degree. Linear pair property, as we know, exterior angle plus interior angle, it will be equals to 180 degrees. So if I want to find out exterior angle, then I'll subtract interior angle from 180 degrees. So it will give me 158 degrees. It means now exterior angle will be 158. So I will find out the number of sides, and will be 360 degree divided by exterior angle. Here exterior angle is 158. It means number of sides is 360 upon 158. That is again in decimal. That is 2.27. That is again not possible. It means interior angle with 22 degrees is also not possible. Question number 6. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? By B part, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So here first of all we will talk about the minimum number of sides of a regular polygon, and the minimum number of sides can be 3. It means if it is a 3-sided regular polygon, then it must be an equilateral triangle, and the sum of angles of an equilateral triangle is 180 degree. So each interior angle will be 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. So it means 60 is the minimum interior angle possible. Now we know that if I want to find out exterior angle, then I'll subtract interior angle from 180. Now I want maximum exterior angle. Maximum exterior angle we will get if we will subtract minimum value from 180. It means if 60 degree is the minimum interior angle, then the maximum exterior angle will be 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree.